We're on the Tools page of Yoast SEO. This is a set of tools that you can use when you're doing bulk work to your site or when you're importing or exporting stuff on your site. This is not a page where you should normally be every month. In fact, the two buttons that you now see here, you will probably not see most of the time, because most of the time you will see something else, namely this. As you've seen, I've just analyzed the content on this very small test site. I'll do the same for the internal linking, which is a feature that's only available in premium, but as you can see, that goes rather quickly too. If those buttons are available, then by all means do click them, because it will then index your entire site and make sure that the internal linking suggestions are optimized. And it will also make sure that we have counted the text links within your posts properly. Normally, it will look like this when you open this page. There are three other features on this tools page that each have their own videos: the import and export features, the file editor, and the bulk editor.